9x squared plus 4y squared equals 36. We want to find the center, vertices, and foci of this ellipse. And in order to do that, we need to rewrite the ellipse in standard form. Notice that in our equation for an ellipse is equal to 1. So let's divide each term in our ellipse by 36. And that will give us x squared divided by 4 plus y squared divided by 9 equals 1. Notice that we don't have anything subtracted from x or y, so that means that the center of the ellipse will be 0, 0. Notice that under x squared we have 4. If you take the square root of 4, you get 2, so that means this ellipse is going to go out 2 units horizontally. And under the y squared, we have 9. So take the square root of 9, and that's 3. And that means our ellipse is vertically going to go up 3. So there's a rough sketch of what our ellipse is going to look like. The vertices of the ellipse are the endpoints of the major axis, which is the long axis. So in this case, that's going to be 0, 3. And 0, negative 3. In some texts, they may ask you to find co-vertices. The co-vertices would be the endpoints of the minor axis, which is the short axis. And in this case, that would be 2, 0, and negative 2, 0. And then the final thing we want to find is the foci. And the foci are related by this equation that has to do with the ellipse. The foci use the equation c squared equals a squared minus b squared, where a is our bigger amount. So a squared is going to be 9, and b squared is going to be 4. So c squared is going to turn out to be 5. So c is plus or minus the square root of 5. Now the foci lie on the major axis. So that's the long axis. So if we start at the origin, which is 0, 0, and we're going to go up and down the square root of 5, which is approximately 2.2. So we would have a focus right here, and we would have a focus right down here. So our foci are going to be 0, square root of 5, 0, negative square root of 5.